In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the North Face promo codes in 2024. This is pretty simple, so we jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and search for the North Face promo code. Right here, select the couponfollow.com website and open it. As you can see right here, we have a list with different promo codes that we can use. For example, right here, if I want to get this deal with $20 of discount, all I have to do is select show coupon code right here, and this is the discount code. I can simply copy this code right here and use it on my next purchase in order to get that discount. Also scrolling down right here to the websites, you should be able to find this one, which is vouchercodes.co.uk. And this is a website with also very good deals that we can use from. And for example, if you want to get this one with 50% off discount, all you have to do is select get sale right here. And as you can see, there is no code required. So all you have to do is select continue to the North phase right here, and you will be redirected to the website where the discount will be applied. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.